In this video, I want to show you a little bit about the Zama C10 carburetor found on most two-stroke engines. Normally, you're going to find it on smaller engines like such. This is going to be a Steel FS 55RC, which is a trimmer motor. I took the wand off. As you can see, I just have the engine here, just to make it a little bit easier for you guys to see how it's taken apart. You're also going to find this carburetor on some of your smaller blowers and some other chainsaws as well. So what we're going to do is take this off this engine, and basically I'll just describe some of the similar parts that are on carburetors of this size that usually malfunction and get clogged up with the ethanol fuels, like I described in the other videos. So what we're going to do first is just take the air cover off. Just use your hands to do so. I'm wearing gloves so I don't get the gasoline all over my hands. And inside on this model, it's going to differ from model to model. Just using a 1/4 inch socket with a 8mm socket on it. I'm going to take off the air cleaner body. On this particular model, it's going to be two regular bolts. Once you've taken the bolts off, these are the nuts, the little nuts there. I'm going to slide the air cleaner body right off. Put that to the side. And then here's your carburetor. I have one all taken apart here. I have one together here. I'm just going to show you how to take this off. Kind of self-explanatory. You just got to use your hands basically. You have two fuel lines that come into the side of the carburetor. One goes into the bulb assembly and one goes into the pump assembly at the bottom. This top one right here, basically they just pull off, and then this bottom one down under here also just pulls off. Top one pulls off like so. It can be a little tricky sometimes, but the bottom one pulls off this way. So once you've had the two fuel lines disconnected, what you're going to do is just go ahead and slide the carburetor right off. It's going to spill some fuel a little bit here. And what you're going to notice is down here, this line right here, that's going to be your throttle cable, and basically it just loops down inside. Tug on it a little bit, you can get it to break loose, and then just slip it right up through the groove. Pull your carburetor right off. And there's this is also a C10 Zama carburetor found on, like I said, most small engines, mainly two-strokes. The next video, I'm going to go over the basic parts of that little carburetor and some also parts that fail on other two-stroke models that seem to be causing issues with new ethanol fuel.